Hi everyone, good morning all of you. I am A. Ardolai, yoga teacher. Today my video session on Yogasana. Before begin the Yogasana, you must do some physical activity which is very much essential. I have already done my physical workout. Now let's begin the asana. First asana I am going to demonstrate Padmasana, but within time limit I have to each and every asana demonstrate once, but whenever we have to practice at your home, at least 2 to 3 times you have to practice. So let's begin. First asana, Padmasana. Sit comfortable, legs straight, hands straight. First bend your right knee, then left knee, backbone straight, and you can close your eyes and you can open, up to you, and here chanting 3 times Om. Slowly open your eyes, release legs and hands. Now I am going to demonstrate Vajrasana. First Vajrasana, hands and legs straight, left knee bend, then right knee, both at feet joint, hands on your thigh and sit on your ankle. Backbone straight. This position 1 to 2 minutes you have to perform 2 to 3 times. It is very good for digestive system. Next asana I am going to perform Shashankasana. Same Vajrasana position, you have to little bit stretch your knee, then hands up, and forehead and nose touch to the ground. Slowly up. This Shashankasana. Next part, the phase number 1. Now I am going to show phase 2. Here you touch your forehead. This is a rabbit posture. Same this asana 1 to 2 minutes you have to perform. Next asana I am going to perform here Bokasana. Slowly come down. Same asana 1 to 2 minutes you have to perform. Next asana I am going to show here Sarvangasana. Lie down, knee bend, up, looks up, toe pull upside. Here I am showing once, but you have to practice minimum 2 to 3 times. Now slowly bend, come down. Now I am going to show here Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana three pose. Join your toe. This is one part. Another part, chin touch, and beside your chest, and pull up. This is the cobra posture. This is the step number 2 and step number 3. Inhale and here and stay. Slowly come down. You must practice 2 to 3 times. Now I am going to show Setu Bandhanasana. Setu Bandhanasana. Lie down, knee bend, and exhale. You're breathing. Slowly come down. Next, Uthito Padasana. Hands side of your body, hands, legs join, the leg up from the ground, 30 degrees. Let's begin. Here, due to shortage of time, 10 to 15 seconds I am doing, but minimum you have to practice 1 minute to 2 minutes. Slowly down. Now I am going to show Ustrasana. Ustrasana 2 phase. First phase and second phase. Now I am going to show Padma Mayurasana. First Padmasana position and then after perform Mayurasana. Slowly come down. Now I am showing to Mayurasana. Slowly come down. Now I am going to show Vrikasana. One part. This is the second part. Slowly hand down. Now I am going to show Sirsasana. Sirsasana, there is 2 parts. One is Padmasana with Sirsasana and without Padmasana, plain Sirsasana. Here is Padmasana. This is the Padmasana Sirsasana. You have to hold 1 minute. Then slowly release your legs, and this is called Sirsasana. Slowly come down. And now this asana is end like today. Hope you have to learn lot of skill, proper technique, and you have to enjoy. And obviously, I expect from each and every one you have to practice at your home. Thank you very much. Have a good day.